we're talking about polygons here today, but congruent will work. Anybody know what the word congruent means? Congruent means, Gary Ryan? Exactly the same. Well, for the most part, exactly the same. Let's do this. Okay. Here I have a triangle. Okay. These two triangles, and I'm going to label them. Okay. I'm going to go A, B, C, D, E, F. Now see if you can work with me. This is a little geometry kind of stuff that you'll kind of get a little bit later. Triangle, instead of writing the word, I'm just going to say this. Triangle A, B, C. Triangle A, B, C is congruent to, let me write that down there, is congruent to triangle DEF. And by congruent, we mean this, okay? That means they have the same corresponding angles and the same, I guess I missed the word same, didn't I? Corresponding sides. Give you a chance to write that down. I'm going to talk about that. Because this is an easy part, we'll switch it around a little bit here. By the way, instead of writing the word congruent, you can do this little thing. Make an equal sign with a little squiggly line up there. That means is congruent to. Okay? Now, here's the deal. Corresponding, if something is corresponding, to correspond, that means the sides that match up. Sides or angles that match up. In other words, angle B corresponds to what angle on the other triangle? It's the same one. The one that would be the right angle, and the one right angle there, which is angle C. Okay? I'm sorry, angle E. That my C. Angle A corresponds to which angle on the second triangle? Angle A, if I lifted it up, took it, set it down on top of it so that it matched exactly up, what angle over here is angle A correspond to? Luke?
D.
Angle D. Side BC corresponds to what side over here? Jacob?
CF.
CF. Now, it's pretty easy, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, when both your exactly congruent shapes are laying the same way, and kind of it's real easy to match them up. But you have to remember, these shapes are still congruent if I would do this. Wait, get my letter E over there? Probably not. Wait, does letter E go there? Yes, it does. The letter D go there? Yes, it does. Okay. These shapes are still congruent even though they're spun around, and even if they're mirror images of those. And you still have to be able to say, okay, well, angle D corresponds to what angle? Angle D on this one corresponds to what angle on this one? Evan? Angle C. Okay, really because this little angle here and that little angle here. In geometry, if you see this little angle mark, that means these two angles are equal. Okay? I would do two little marks for that because I can't do one because that would mean it's equal to that. If there's two little angle marks, that means those are equal too. Okay? Same thing with the sides. If you see a tick mark on one triangle and the same single tick mark on the other one, that tells you that those are two equal, exactly equal sides, same length. This side would get 2, this side would get 2, this side would get 3, this side would get 3. Anytime they put those little tick marks in there and there's the same amount on one shape and another shape, that means the distance of those shapes are equal. They're exactly the same. That's just a quick way of showing whatever that thing is.
I'm confused on all the like tick marks and what they do.
The only thing, if this has one tick mark, it's the same length as the thing that has one tick mark on that one. They're just saying that they're equal, they're the same length. If this has 3 tick marks, it equals the one that has 3 tick marks over there. Same thing with this little angle thing. 1 equals that one over there. I couldn't put 1 here and just put 1 there because those are not 2 equal angles. 2 angle marks, 2 angle marks, that means they're exactly equal. Angle C equals angle D because of this, because it shows you this one single angle mark there. Okay. Now, with that being said, you have to take out a new piece of paper and write the word